Welcome to Hot Wheels Monster Truck Tournament 16. Kpop Illuminati race. Trucks have to go under, slide over here, get to both sides, and hit demons with their song and the wheels. Well, mixed up artist is the winner. Let's go! Bone Shaker versus Buzz. Go big, go up, news. Oh! Both trucks neck to neck. What's O's? Buzz gets over the ground, pushes the crowd. And Bone Shaker takes the win. Trash and smash. Stripper Eyes versus Race Ace. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh! Both trucks next to neck. Shepherd's takes a wheelie but gets behind. While that Race Ace takes a big win. Takes the win. Challenge accepted. Rock and Roll versus Gum Derby. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh! Both trucks neck to neck, but Duck and Roll gets in the crowd. Demo Derby tries to get past him, but runs out of view, leaving Duck and Roll to the win. I got my quackitude. Look up on versus Oscar Mayer. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh! Both trucks neck to neck and they both rush in the rounds. Look upon cause they own tricks. But Oscar Mayer was the farthest, so he takes the win. A big win. Semi-final round. Race Ace versus Bone Shaker. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh! Both trucks neck to neck, but Race Ace crashes into the crowds. Wow, that Bone Shaker crashes and takes the win. Trash and smash. Oscar Mayer versus Duck and Roll. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh! Both trucks neck to neck and they had good races over there. Both made it. But Oscar Mayer is the farthest and takes the win. Buzz like queens. And now for the final round. Wait, what's happening? You can't defeat me! Oh no, Glima has found powerful. And we need the trucks to beat him. Let's meet the trucks. Oscar Mayer versus Bone Shaker, a bad boy truck. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh. I just slipped. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh. Oscar Mayer gets a wipeout of the race. And Bone Shaker defeats Guima and takes the win. Trash and smash. Well done for defeating the demons. It's defeating Guima. How did you do it? Skateboard Demon Hunters now my next favorite move. And I have to use my Bone Bash Shaker skills. Beat everyone in my way. I'm still alive though. Shut up, Firehead. Well, that's all for today. It's now Tournament 16, the K-pop Demon Hunters race on the Tournament of Titans.